Hey folks, today we're going back to the Hoover Sauce on the chicken. We've been marinating for about an hour and a half here. I got my batter. And what I got here is the base of it is Zatarain's fish fry. This is something new we try. We usually try something else. We do the Louisiana fish fry. But I got half that and then half my own concoction with I got garlic salt, onion powder, a little cayenne pepper, and the white cornmeal, finely ground. Got my fork. Now we cooked a little bit of fish already, just regular fish, cause you know everybody might not want this. So it's something new we've been trying at the house. But anyway, here we go. We're gonna take these and put them in the batter. We just waller it around in there, get her battered up good, and see we ain't get all that good Hoover sauce on there. We're chunking them in the hot oil, baby. We're gonna do this with, tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna go on ahead and we're gonna dump all of this into this. Y'all may ask yourself, why are you looking at me at this funny angle? That's the only one I could get to where you can see what's going on in the skillet here in just a minute. And then get all this stuff done too. And then I got Cooper over here. He's waiting for crumbs. Anything I drop will not be there long. Hey, Coop, come here, boy. Say hi. Come here. Look up there. Right here. Say hey. That's Mr. Cooper. He's waiting on crumbs and already done French fries. We got it going here. We fixing to start dropping them off in here. We got the grease good and hot. Everything's battered up. Good to go. Woo! That old good Hoover sauce on there. Well, like I said, they sell this stuff out of Louise, Mississippi. Fantastic stuff. Goes good on everything. Any kind of protein. What I want to do is either this weekend or next weekend, I'm going to fire the old grill up and I'm actually going to marinate a few portobello mushrooms in the Hoover sauce. I just want to, I know what it tastes like on chicken, and, there's been folks been putting it on beef recipes for years now, and I'm just trying a few out-of-the-box type recipes just to see where all I can put this stuff. But it seems to be fantastic on everything. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way. It comes in a regular size bottle about the size of a barbecue sauce bottle, but this stuff lasts way longer than any bottle of barbecue sauce. It goes a long way. But I got a few eggplants. I'm gonna try it on eggplant too. That's gonna be some fine cooking. We cut them thick. I don't fry eggplant anymore. I haven't fried eggplant in many a year. What we do is we cut them up and marinate them in steak seasoning, and we actually cook them on the grill and grill them up. And that's all of them right there. But we're gonna let this fry up here. Here, y'all look. That's what we're doing right there. Over here peeking out the corner. Get down in here with me. We're going to start flipping a few of them over. Oh, man, yeah. Oh, yeah. Now, they get this golden brown color. That's that soy sauce based in there cooking out. And like I said, it is a little bit sweet. It ain't real sweet, but it does have a sweet flavor to it. And that sugar kind of caramelizes it in that grease. That's why I waited to cook it last. Because once we cook it grease, we're gonna chunk it. I didn't want to cook this first, and then the rest of the fish tastes like this, and then some folks turn their noses up at it. You never know. There are peculiar people out there who are not fans of the Hoover sauce. I don't hang around those people very often. Those are not my type of people, but sometimes they show up. You never knew who folks bring to the party. Now this one right here is ready. But you can see, let me get it over here and take it. See the color of that? It's got a brown texture. Almost look, man, look at that. Almost looks like a hunk of liver. But it ain't. That is Hoover Sauce catfish right there, baby. Fantastic eating. But if you see, I don't leave them in the full fillets. We cut them up in pieces about 1 inch, probably about 2 inches. It's about the size of the pieces we cook. That way the marinade soaks in good, and you get more of the marinade on the surface of the fish, and it just tastes better. And then it cooks quicker too. We're about wearing that. We're gonna have to do something else now. That little fork ain't getting it. There we go, buddy. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Cooper down here got drool hanging down his mouth. Boy. Hold on here. Let me help you out. There's your French fry, my brother. That's good stuff right there, ain't it? We're going to put it up here on this wire basket. I got a wire basket over here. That's what I use when I cook the fish. That way it drains good. Everything's not all greasy. Man, I remember when I was a little kid, my grandma used to fry fish in the kitchen. And she had some old plastic Tupperware bowls, and she'd stick paper towels in the bottom of that Tupperware bowl, and that's what we ate. We ain't know no better. Whoever got the last few piece of fish out of that bottom of that Tupperware bowl, that's some tough eating right there, man. It was soaked up with some grease, but it sure did taste good. That's one of them things where I don't care how old you get, Grandma's cooking was always there. But see, let me hold this over here so y'all can kind of see what we're looking at. Now this one, I left, you know, full size here, but you can see the color of it. I'm gonna put it in that back corner right there. We're gonna put this one right there. Got the eye off. Move that off the eye. We good to go. Ain't no whole lot to it. You cook it just like you do regular catfish. You batter it up, you fry it, but you leave it about 1.5 hours, 2 hours. And that, man, what are y'all doing? Here, sit up here, son. There you go. All right, now there you go. All right, here we go. We'll leave it in that batter, in the marinade for about probably 2 hours. And it don't take but a little bit. What I recommend doing is putting a little dash in there in your bowl, and then stirring it up, and then put a little dash and stir it up, because what you don't want to do is put too much in there. But you'll figure out how much you like in the batter, and I like a good bit in mine. That's why I cook mine last. I used to put not enough in there, but I done got to where I enjoy the Hoover sauce. I've been putting it on everything here lately. But anyway, that's Hoover sauce. Cooking catfish in the kitchen with Mr. Cooper. Say hey, Coop. Say hey, man. Like. Subscribe to the channel. Support the folks. No? Okay. Coop don't talk much. He's just here for the snacks. This is James Downs with Downs Family Bullies. I'll holler at y'all later. Y'all have a good one.